Yo, what's up, everybody? We're here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, back with the 3-valve swap foxbody. Trying to keep hot rodding alive with the ingenuity. Here we're porting the stock 3-valve intake, and I'm going to show you where we're at with it. So let's get right to it. And here's the 3-valve intake right here that I decided to go and port. Sort of cut this whole middle section out to try and make it like the Ford Racing intake, but while doing that, I ran into a little problem. As you can see, we have a big hole now that I'm going to have to plastic weld in a piece, and hopefully that will take care of it. But you know, I figured it's the stock intake. If worst comes to worst, we'll get an aftermarket one. And there's the start of the runner. And that's the factories. I still got to do those ones. So it's a lot of work. Do I recommend it? Not really, but I figured it couldn't hurt. 2 or 3 horsepower more is better than 2 or 3 horsepower less. Then we got the charge motion delete plates right here that I made myself, and they've been holding up pretty decent. Drilled the hole and tapped the pin out, took all the throttle body flaps off, pulled the rod out. And what I used for it was this steel stick epoxy putty that seems to be working pretty good. And for the porting right now, I'm using this bit right here on the drill. Then I'll go into some sandpaper to make it more smooth. Give it a better feel. But that's where we're at with the 3-valve intake. You know, figured I'm trying to see what we can do. Little extra steps. Keep hot rodding alive. So I hope you guys like what you're seeing. Like, share, and subscribe. Pass it on. Until next time, give you a new update. Peace.